Cold open. Welcome to the future of gaming and graphics, the RTX 4090. With a powerful performance that redefines the realm of possibilities, this is your ticket to uncharted territories of visual brilliance. Imagine an advanced AI, capable of recreating real-world physics and light reflections. That's the RTX 4090 for you, armed with Tensor cores and RT cores. It's not just about gaming anymore. It's about immersing yourself in a hyper-realistic virtual universe. Boasting a whopping 24 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory, this beast of a card renders high-resolution graphics in the blink of an eye. Paired with a blazing fast memory speed, the RTX 4090 ensures uninterrupted, smooth gameplay. From stunning ray-traced graphics to AI-assisted frame rates, the RTX 4090 is a game-changer. Experience the future of gaming today with the RTX 4090. This is where reality and virtuality blur. Welcome to the new era of immersive gaming. Remember, it's not just a graphics card, it's the RTX 4090, a revolution in your PC. Because the future is not tomorrow, it's today. And today, we game in ultra-high definition.